Hi friends, I am here to help you to learn the subject accounting in a simple way. I'm not going into very complicated things. The basics of accounting I am trying to teach. So we know what is a language, right? A language is a medium that we are using to communicate, right? So here accounting is a business language. Understood? In business, we can use this language to communicate financial transactions and their results. So, this is a very comprehensive system which is used to collect, analyze, and communicate financial information. Okay. And in early days, the number of transactions were very small. So every concerned person, they can keep the record of transactions during a specific period of time. But gradually, the field of accounting has undergone remarkable changes in compliance with the changes happening in the business scenario of the world. Okay, so a bookkeeper may record financial transactions, but that should be according to certain accounting principles and standards and as prescribed by an accountant, depending upon the size, nature, volume, and other constraints of a particular organization. So, with the help of this accounting process, we can determine the profit or loss of the business on a specific date. That is very important. We are determining the profit or loss of the business on a specific date. And it also helps us to analyze the past performance so that we can plan the future courses of action. So this is as far as the history of accounting is concerned. Now we are moving on to the definition of accounting. So the American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, they have defined financial accounting as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So this you should study as like this. No word you should miss because this is the definition of accounting. As far as definitions are concerned, we should learn that as such. We cannot change or miss any of that parts. So, this is a very important definition of accounting which will come in every exams. And this is going to help you in all of your accounting learning process. So be thorough with this definition. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So that is the definition of accounting.